So I'll just start sharing my screen. I'll end the poll here. So you guys remember your answers here. So the answer Arun gave. Okay, the answer Arun gave is 010 and Taufik gave 100. Okay, so you guys remember your answers. I'll just type in here. Arun said, and Priyanka is 5. So Arun 2 was 1. 1 is 010. Okay, this is Arun's answer, and Taufik's is in 3 100. Second is Taufik, and Priyanka's answer is 10. Do not know. Oh, okay, and 10D. Let's say. Oh, 001. I did not have that option. Yeah, let's just see if you got it right or wrong. So now here, let's just check floor first. So math, oops, I'll just share my screen here. I'm ending the poll. I'm closing it. So yeah, let's see. So print string math dot floor of our random. Then comes our seal. Okay, seal of the same. So the first one is floor or seal? The first one was seal, right? Seal. The second one is floor. So seal and floor. Then the last one is round. So this is round. Okay, so let's see. So 101 it says. 100. 101. 101 again. 101 again. So seal is always 1, floor is always 0, but round we don't know because it all depends on the value. Suppose if it's greater than 0.5, it yields 1. If it is less than 0.5, it is 0. So that was kind of tricky over there. Alright. Any questions here? So yeah, seal, remember, will yield higher number or will give higher number. Okay, floor will give the same number. Let's say no, seal is like give me the top number. Like for instance 2.1, what is the next number for 2.1? 3. 2.2, what's the next number? 3. 2.3, the next number is 3. So like such, give me the next number. Okay, whereas floor, suppose 2.1, floor of 2.1 is 2. Floor of 2.8 is still 2. So floor will give the number before decimal point. Okay, whereas round will give me a number depending on the value to the right side of the decimal point. Right, exactly. Rounds off to the higher or lower. It depends upon the decimal, the number after the decimal point. Like for instance, if that number is less than 0.5, or 5, let's say, not 0.5, because decimal point. Okay, let's say 0.5. Then it applies floor. If it's greater than or equal to 0.5, it applies C. So it all depends upon the value which is on the right side of the decimal point. Alright. Yeah. So these are, I mean, there is one more function here. So I'm just explaining the important ones here. There are so many functions which are like sine, tan, cosine, and hyperbola, sine h, cos h, and tan h. So I assume those functions are not important. So I'm not going to discuss about those functions. But yeah, I'm only discussing about the important ones. So the next important function is the square root of, let's say, a number. We'll take one more number here. A number is, so we have one more function called math.sqrt, okay, of the number. Let's say let's take the number to be 64. So what is the square root of 64? Yeah, what is the square root of 64? Awesome. Square root of 64 is 8, it says. Great. So let's take one complex number here. I don't know, 1096. Does it have a square root? No. So 33.10, it gives me a number. So I can seal it off, I can round it off, I can floor it off. Okay, so square root function. That's how the square root function is used. Now, there is one more function, okay, which is called toFixed. I'll write it here. So it is number. It is not mathematical function. It's just a JavaScript predefined function, a miscellaneous function. So toFixed. Here, the number of digits in the floating number. So floating number is a decimal number, okay? Just in our JavaScript, and it's everywhere it's number, but yeah, for understanding, for better understanding, I say it as a floating number. So number dot toFixed, okay? Let's see how does it work. Number dot toFixed. So here we got the square root of the number, right? Or let's say, let's take the random number itself. Where random number equal to math dot random. Now I want, let's print both the numbers. Print string, okay? Here the random string, sorry, random number, I'm sorry. Random number is our random number, actual random number. I want the whole number. I want to, okay, toFixed 2. Let's say 2. Okay, here I'll write random number is fixed to 2.